Today, my name is Cutie. Today we're gonna craft a tiger and an elephant, and these are for animals. But I'm making an animal. But we usually make some crafting with, so we're gonna make an animal. First, make a googly eye. If it's too much, don't worry. If it dries, it'll be fine. So if you have a runny nose, get a tissue for your parent. But never stop. Do never stop working. Stop working if you need to go potty. I'm gonna do this first. So make a trunk for the elephant. So we can make the tunnel. So the elephant can, and the tunnel can be right there. And then the elephant trunk. And then we're making the ears. The ears is big, so they need big water, a bunch of glue, but this one don't, since this one has to be like that one. So we're gonna make a ears, so for the elephant. If you paper towel. If you make a mistake, I just have for a paper towel. If you mess up, that's okay, so you can wipe it. So you're gonna make an eye. Ball. Oh, okay. Okay, so you're gonna make eyeballs and make a tongue already here. But now we're making the ear. So now we're making the ear. The other ear. So we can make a tiger. That's it. Now we'll make a tiger. Tiger is like this. So we make an eyeball, but make sure you get not too much good if you can. That's okay, that's fine. So I did a little tiny dog, but if you want to do a heart, do it. If you want to do and close to each other, do it. Why don't you close to each other? We don't need this eyeball. We just need a big now left. So we're gonna make a blue, and then and then we're gonna make a beak. Bye, and make sure to subscribe and hit the like button.